Good morning. 99 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. AC compressor bearing clutch is failed. We're gonna get this replaced real quick. I'm actually in a nice little garage right now because of the weather. We've got Hurricane Helene on its way. Won't be here until tonight. Granted, it's gonna hit Tallahassee, and I'm not in Tallahassee. I am in Ocala, Denellen area. So we're like about an hour and a half north of Tampa, hour and a half north of Orlando, but on that west coast. I'm only about 30 minutes from the Gulf Coast. So we're gonna get something, but that'll be later tonight when we get a little bit of wind and rain, but nothing compared to what those guys are gonna get. So if you're up in Tampa and that Gulf Coast, please be safe, take care of yourselves. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this torn apart. We just started our recovery. That's just about done. So I'm gonna start tearing this thing apart, and you guys are gonna follow along with me. So I worked on this truck earlier in the year. We put an engine in it. We put a long block in. That was before I used to film. I only started filming earlier this year, 2024. But this long block has been good. It's an ATK. If you don't know, ATK is now owned by LKQ, I think. If you don't know who LKQ is, then I'm sorry. But LKQ is one of the biggest distributors of salvage parts, but they own the rebuild facility now for ATK, I think. Either way, doesn't really matter who owns it. It's just a matter of, I think their products are pretty good, and I don't have problems with it. They've got 3-year unlimited mile warranties that are nationwide. So you would contact the manufacturer, ATK in this instance, and they would get you set up with a repair facility if you're out of town and you're not near me. All right, that was good. Son of a bitch. The belt is missing because of it, and I didn't even notice that. Who took that off? Oh, he might have taken that belt off. Did he take that belt off? I gotta ask him that, because there's no belt down there anymore. And it was there the other day, so where the hell did it go? But the bearing is locked up. Dang, that's stupid, Ben. All right. A little flash of light. All right, we're just about done on that evacuation. Got vacuum in there now, so we'll pop these lines off. It's a pretty straightforward compressor to replace here, guys. Except when you drop bolts on the ground. Okay, we can stop this. Okay, one line. There a bolt. Do 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 do. Right. Get off. Oh, my socket. Man, I really don't know what this is like to be working on like a real concrete floor. This is crazy. I haven't done this in a long time. Get off. Okay. Hey. And there you go. Look at that. That thing's looks original. That's a pretty easy compressor, huh? Yeah, good stuff. But here you go. Your pulley is 100% locked up. Won't turn at all. Okay, I need to go find the customer because I need to know if he took that belt off. All right, let me go find him. See if he took the belt off of it or not. Hey, Jeff.
Yes.
Did you take the belt off?
I did.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I'm like, damn it, where's the belt?
Do you have another one?
No.
Oh, you don't. Gosh.
I wouldn't have thought that because it was on there. Where's the, can I see it? Oh, you cut it?
Yeah, because it was.
Oh. Do you want to go run to the store and get one?
Yes. Okay.
All right. Because this will be pretty quick. The compressor's already out.
Oh, okay. Let me go get it right. Oh, are they open?
Yeah, they are. I was just there.
Okay.
So you can go to O'Reilly's or Advance, one or the other. Those are the two that are here.
Okay.
You just need an AC belt.
An AC belt.
Yep.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, man. I'll be here. Yeah.
Do you are you doing YouTube videos?
Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Okay, cool.
Locked? Here, I'll get you. Would you need the keys?
Yes. All right, thanks, Ben.
Yeah. All right, I'll take my time. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so yes, the customer cuts the belt off of it. So he's going to go run and grab one. I didn't know that. He didn't tell me that he did that. So otherwise I would have brought a belt with me. Okay, so old compressor. We need to take this plate off. This top plate needs to get transferred to the other ones, the manifold for the compressor. So we're going to clean that up. Get this one out of the bag. All right, let's see if there's anything in here. Of course, your typical thing says it's pre-charged with 3 ounces of oil. And we will be the judge of that. Let's turn a fan on because it's quite humid. And we got our new seal for this top plate. Six. We should probably open this up. Make sure that we're supposed to be using PAG 46. I have 100 and 150 on the truck, so whichever one it needs. And I just read, looks like 46 would be comparison to the ND8. So maybe the ND12 is 100. So we're going with PAG 46. Oy. And there's our plate. Let's get this old junker out of here. There's probably a core on that, so we'll have to deal with that. But let's get this cleaned up. Get some brake clean. Excuse me. Okay. So, new seal. Big opening, small opening. We're going to go with the new bolts that it came with, because no, I'm not. They're shorter, so I'm not using those. I will save them, but I am not using those. I take that back. And I'm saving that plate. Okay, so I didn't put any oil in it. We're going to put about 3 ounces in. So we're at the 28 mark right now. That's pretty good, actually. Bam! Okay. Let's get this cover back on. Okay. All right, let's get this compressor put back in. We'll get it vacuumed up and wait for him to get back with the belt. So I keep saying so. I hate that. It's the most annoying thing in the world. So power probe, our temp gauge. So we're at a cool 79 degrees out here. So we're going to leave that here. Put this inside. We're done charging. I'm going to go start it up. All right. As always, here's your pressures. Looking pretty good. Granted, it's like 900% humidity out here, but it's not that hot out, so pressures are not going to be super high, especially on our high side. Man, I scratched my screen, but you can see that. Right now I'm 56 in the cab and 80 out here. That's a pretty good pressure difference. Again, not super hot out. Well, that's it, guys. Toyota Tacoma, done. AC blows great. Check out that trailer, though. That's something else, right? How many mobile guys do you see that's got such a cool setup like mine? Not many, right? But we are done. We are moving on to the next job. As always, I appreciate you guys. If you like what we're doing, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we will catch y'all later. See ya.